Allow yourselves to feel comfortable with whatever is supporting you right now. The chair that you might be sitting in. Notice how it supports you. And in that noticing, allow the energy of gratitude to come forward. I am supported. And in the energy of gratitude is the healthy recognition of consciousness. Breathe deep. So, I am conscious, and I am grateful. Breathe.
Hello, and yes, we are here. We are here today. All of us that you call archangels are here. The Zadkiel, the Raphael, the Gabriel, the Michael, all of us, and many, many others. The Uriel. There are so many here. And as we are here, we offer to thee today the opportunity to fly free with us, to fly free through your presence of divine nature. Divine nature. Let us share with thee the divine nature that is within, the divine nature that is without, and the divine nature that is always. The divine nature within is the unified presence of your soul's wisdom with the physical vessel that holds on to thee. This is the divine nature of the expression of form. When we dive into the divine nature of the expression in form, we offer and gift and give to ourselves, each other, and all beings the divine union of knowingness. Knowingness, yes, knowingness. Knowingness is the gift of absolutely letting go of fear, letting go of doubt, letting go of any, we use little quotes, thing that would do its best to assist thee to stop, when indeed your energy field says go. Go, beloved one, go. And so this beautiful divine nature, this beautiful harmony, this union within, is the divine nature within. And the divine nature within is the divine nature that assists thee to propel the expansionary experience of your cosmic light form. Your cosmic light form can only be in this experience through the vessel. You are aware of this. You know this. And yet so oftentimes you may forget this. When the vessel, perhaps on an emotional level or a physical level or any level, emits or creates or, let us say, touches something or some situation that you judge, it is not that the union is lost, it is simply that the physical is more present. To understand this, to witness this, to explore and dive deep into your divine nature is to reunify your cosmic experience. Indeed, yes. That is the divine nature within. So what you say is the divine nature without. Many would perceive this as external because of without. Yet we wish to offer to thee today this understanding without. We say this one more time. Without. What this means is that the divine nature is with you always. And we shall talk about the divine nature always in just a moment. So the with part of the without is the recognition of the unified stream, the unified within, the unified without, the unified always, the with. The out, the O-U-T, is to say all is divine nature. It is out, it is about, it is here, it is there, it is up, it is down, it is left, it is right, it is north, it is south, it is east, it is west, it is literally, infinitely available, around thee, and ever present. It is with and it is out. To be out in your world says, I am free because I have no secrets to hide. There are many ways to be out. When one is out, their smile is broader because they are freer. And oftentimes when one is outed, as they say, in whatever respect the out may take form, it can be a harrowing or even a scary or a nervous or a, let us say, breath-holding experience. Yet when one agrees to be out, there is great freedom and a relaxation. For indeed the divine nature without is relaxing into the infinite space of the union of the cosmic soul with whatever form it is expressing. You see, beloved angels, it goes well beyond this world. It goes well beyond this form of a physical, let us say, expression. To be without is to be free, to be the divine nature. And then we come to the divine nature always. Yes, always. Let us begin with the all. We start by beginning to express more about the allness. For many, there is the perception that allness only exists here on this planet. While this certainly is a rich planet of allness expression, it is by far one of many, 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 many ways that allness continually expands and expresses. With each cycle, with each new form, with each dance, with each ascension, with each acceleration, with each expanded knowing, there is allness. Allness cannot be quantified. When one tries to quantify allness, when one tries to comprehend allness, one limits the divine nature. Divine nature expresses with allness as a conduit to the oneness, to the union again. Do you see, beloved ones, are your eyes starting to open? Is your expanded cosmic wisdom beginning to hear us, see us, and feel us more than the words that we are offering to thee? This is, beloved, beautiful. Because when you see that this is all a cycle, you recognize and break free. And that is the ways. The ways are infinite. To even begin to try to express each way, this way, that way, my way, your way, their way, humanity way, political way, government way, community way. Do you see? It is nothing more than a spiral that goes downward. And yet when the allness and the way are unified, the all way, always, the infinite energy of the divine nature begins pulsing again. And a great pulse beat ignites within, and the divine nature illuminates, and the divine heart sings, and the connection to your cosmic wisdom becomes stronger, stable, and ever more present and available for the gift of divine continuance. You see, beloved ones, the divine nature is the birthing of divine continuance. These things that we share, these words that we offer, the divine nature and the divine continuance, are merely the best choice of words that we can offer to you through this form now. And as we offer to you through this form now these words, it is perhaps a moment of potency to remember. Take simply any finger and touch. Touch the center, any finger, and feel the potency of the energy that is flooding into you through this one fingertip. This one fingertip is like that seed. Within one seed are the building blocks of all life. One seed can feed the planet when the infinite pulse wave of energy comes through it. One seed. One seed. One seed. You are and will always be the divine nature and the divine continuance. And there is much, much more. We heard many of you saying to us, what about the allness? What about the oneness? Yes, it is all. It is one. It is all. It is one. You are the divine nature within. You are the divine nature without. You are the divine nature always, flying free. You cannot in any way ever be held captive. Only the mind can be encapsulated and coerced into the belief that there is a captive within or a captive energy present. Yet, even the most captive being in form has the opportunity to discover great freedom. Great freedom. We, your divine brethren, friends, companions, adore thee. We, of what you call the archangelics, come today to remind thee, you are the divine nature. You are in divine continuance. Allow these gifts to sink into thee deeply. Allow thyself to fully expand through the words and discover the greater energy, the magnified pulse waves of the one seed that we have offered to thee today. One seed, the divine nature, the divine continuance. Always, we love you and we are here. And so it is.
Namaste, beloved ones. We look forward to connecting with you again next month.